Hello everyone. Good afternoon, sir. My topic is technical seminar on IoT-based smart water monitoring system. These are the table of contents. The major work of an IoT-based smart water quality monitoring system that aids in continuous measurement of water condition based on four physical parameters like temperature, phenomenon, electrical conductivity, and turbidity properties. The four sensors are connected with the Arduino in discrete way to detect the water. Extracted data from the sensors are transmitted to a desktop application developed in .NET platform and compared with the World Health Organization standard values. Major keywords and parameters which are being to be used is pH value and electrical conductivity and turbidity and Arduino fast forest binary classifier. Introduction. Let me give brief introduction about the smart water quality management system. The researchers of the World Health Organization shows parameters of drinkable water rather than relying on manual process. Moreover, IoT is a system of aliens among various devices and competence of deportation data over the system. The majorly a schematic diagram circuit of the hardware setup of the proposed smart water quality management system are the temperature sensors and other three sensors are of analog type. The analog sensors are connected to the analog pins and digital sensors is connected to digital pin of the controller. This is the schematic diagram, circuit diagram of the smart water quality management checker. And the flow chart briefly explain about the development of the application for the smart water quality management system. These are the literature survey. A physio robust face detection using template matching algorithm used of Tornado, Canada, and Zhang implementation and research of embedded face detection using Boost, Shanghai Jiao Tong University, China. And major, this is the block diagram of the proposed smart water quality management system, and these are the four physical parameters: temperature, conductivity, pH, turbidity is being calculated through the system where the receiver receives data from the microcontroller and predicts with the machine learning classifier. Flowchart of the developed desktop application for the smart water quality management system, and the function of the is done by scanning by image for different scales and looking for some simple patterns. And OpenCV already provides an algorithm to locate faces in still image and videos streams. The classifier algorithm scans and images, creates a bounding box as written for the each detected face. And decision tree based on her like features, we are going to use a machine learning in this. And in machine learning we have chosen the decision tree algorithm. How it works: majorly a decision tree algorithm is added or addicted or impacted towards this seminar. These are the feature 1, feature 2, feature n, and if the false returns yes if there is an correct route way directions, or else otherwise false. The major pros and cons, advantages and disadvantages are: the system is too low since both hardware and software are identical. This is the major advantages for the smart water quality management system. And machine learning algorithms, how it is majorly impacted, has simplifies the process of visualizing data in many formats for better analysis. Sensor data is instantly and wirelessly saved to powerful servers using cloud computing systems, and Arduino board and Azure has been perfected. Disadvantages: although lab testing and analysis is required time, the lab results do not match real-time water quality monitoring due to measurement delays. The technique is time demanding due to the complex procedure of manually collecting data from various sites across the water bodies. It is difficult to gather water samples from all areas of a body of water. Applications: majorly, it is used in some applications like smart irrigation and smart water monitoring and even rain and storm water management. Companies like majorly and IT sectors may use like a rain return, rain and storm water as an ubiquitous water resources able to. And these are the IEEE papers. Conclusion. Finally, let us conclude with the following points. Different water samples are tested with the assistance of based sensors and collected their values of different metrics. Ultimate goal of this work is to observe the quality of water samples by designing a smart water quality monitoring device implemented in IoT platform that can detect our specific physical parameters, temperatures and phenomena turbidity and conductivity in water and analyze the extracted value of these parameters using suitable machine learning approach. The smart water quality monitoring system has shown its importance by providing accurate performance, detecting the water quality based on physical parameters. Different water samples are tested with the assistance of base sensors collected their values of different metrics. These are the references which we have preferred from various IEEE papers. Thank you.